The way we handle our corporate jobs is just being efficient in the way that we operate. We get in, we get out as quickly as possible. We try to communicate with the owners or with the property managers so that they know exactly what's going on at all times. Just like this center here, I think there's probably 12 to 14 different businesses that we're affecting in this one area. So communicating with that property manager so that they know exactly what our plans are and the days we plan on coming in to start our work helps them to be able to communicate with their tenants to keep them able to operate their businesses the way that they should. Just providing maps so they know where they can park, where they cannot, and staying in touch with them helps tremendously just to ease the pain of us being here, because when we show up, it's not the easiest thing in the world for someone to rip up your parking lot and have to replace it. It is invasive, but we try to make it as least invasive as possible. Quality control for us is one of our most important factors in what we do. Our quality control begins with our grading crew. When they're out there grading the site, they're making sure that they've started that, because what we do with asphalt is only as good as what's underneath it. So our grading crew is making sure that they're making sure that water moves. Asphalt crew, when they're out, they're making sure the quality is right after that mat goes down. Whether it's the foreman or the roller operator or the grading foreman, he's on site today. Everyone has multiple years experience, so we're able to look behind each other and accomplish any kind of jobs that are out there.